Welcome guys, in this video I'll show you how you can generate money with the help of Fiverr, and that too good amount of money, and the step-by-step process. And for that it will be totally free of cost and you don't have to invest any penny, and you can earn good amount of money with the help of Fiverr and a free website that is called as Canva. So initially in the whole video process what you will learn, I'll show you my exact earning proof. And yes, to be very honest, I have a couple of other Fiverr accounts as well where I used to sell different services, but as of now I'm not working anymore on Fiverr because I have other ways by which I am generating good amount of money, and that is in passive way. So I'll show you my earning proof as well, and the step-by-step ways by which you can generate good amount of money with the help of Fiverr. And yes, I'll also share some of the ways by which you can earn good amount of money and how much, and how to rank Fiverr gigs. And yes, this is one more secret what I used in my personal life to rank the Fiverr gigs whenever I'm creating any kind of gig. So first things first, let me let you people show you what is the earnings. So if I go to my Fiverr account, then this is the earning. And yes guys, I'm not working on Fiverr anymore, and thing is that I worked on Fiverr nearly around 1 or 2 years back, and this is the revenue of 6 months, and you can see how much I have generated from Fiverr. And also I am refreshing the page so that you people don't it is authentic and that it's not any kind of inspect element thing. And also I have created one video in my channel, and this is the video where I have exactly shown the ways by which I earned nearly around 5.5k in just 6 months. After watching this video, you people can see this video. And also if you are interested in making money online, working from home and affiliate marketing, you can subscribe to my channel. I create such videos like this. Alright, so thing is that in order to generate money on Fiverr, you have to sell some of the services. So what are those services you can sell? So for the whole thing, you can generate money by selling services, as I said. And for this particular video, we will use one tool that is called as Canva. So Canva is a free tool by which you can design anything, maybe graphic designing, like YouTube thumbnail, Pinterest graphics, social media, presentation, poster, anything and everything. There are a lot of predefined templates up there, and you can generate good amount of money if you are strategic enough, if you know how to sell these tools, how to sell this images and these services. Okay, so if I talk about Fiverr, there is a huge lot of traffic and people are earning huge amount of money with the help of Fiverr. So for example, if I talk about an example, YouTube thumbnails. So if you go to YouTube thumbnails, you can see there are plenty of sellers who are doing the same thing. If you are not any kind of person who knows how to design different kind of graphics, or maybe if you don't have any skills, then also you can design thumbnails like this, and you can sell on any price depending upon you. So this is one of the example. One more example if we take, that is Facebook covers. And yes, Facebook cover is one of the thing what is high demand, because there are a lot of people who are not graphic designing expert, or maybe they don't have any idea to design their graphics, and they will need people who needs to update their Facebook page, and they will hire someone. And yes, you can sell the services over here in Fiverr. And if we talk about another example like PDF covers, and yes, you can see there are a lot of I can simply go on. If you just mouse over different categories, you can simply say there are plenty, nearly around thousands of categories, and you can earn huge amount of money if you can give them a resolution, if you can sell the services. In the same way, business card is one of the things what every business owners need on a single daily basis, right? So if you can help them by designing their business card, by designing their professional card, you can generate good amount of money. And yes, for that you don't have to be any of the image designing or graphics designing expert. Simply with the help of Canva you can design any of them. So if you just hover to Canva, if you just come to the Canva, and yes, Canva is a free tool, and there will be no watermark and all, nothing. So you can simply create any of the post whatever I have I went through the examples like maybe YouTube thumbnail or maybe Facebook cover, maybe Twitter cover or anything. If you just simply type, if you go to Canva and if you simply type like for example Facebook cover, it will give you some of the, yeah, you can see Facebook app, Facebook cover, Facebook events, post or something. Okay, so simply for example I'm taking Facebook cover and it will redirect to a page where you will get a predefined templates, and with the help of templates you can cover any of your clients Facebook and you can deliver the project, and once you are delivering you will get commission, I mean you will get the remuneration of that particular. So simply you have to drag and drop, and after that you need to, if you want you can change the images, if you want any of the layout, any of the design, that also can be done. It may be any color, it may be any font, it may be anything. Maybe if you want to add any of the maybe sentences or something like that, so you can literally do anything and everything. So say something, I'm changing this text to my name, so yeah, you can see simply, and if you want to change the color you can simply change it from the you can change the font from here, you can change the colors from here, you can simply resize the images. This is pretty cool. Once the image has been completed you can simply download, and you can download on JPG and PNG format, and yes, once you click on download it will create the image for you and it will get download and you can deliver. So how much time it will take? Hardly it will take 5 or 10 minutes to deliver a single order. That's all what you need. So you have to just be productive, you have to invest your time in productive way so that you can generate good amount of sale on Fiverr. So this is what you have to do. Now you know how you can make money with the free tool. Now how much you can earn per day? This is the big question, and the whole thing is no one can predict how much you can earn because the whole thing is up to you. There are a lot of sellers who are earning nearly around $1,000 per day, and yes, there are a lot of sellers who are struggling to struggling to earn their first $5 on Fiverr. The whole thing, this is actually a predictable question, but yes, if you are strategic enough, if we go to the calculation in a calculative way, then you can earn nearly around $100 to $150 per day. How you can do that? Say for example, if you are selling any service of $5 or maybe $10, there are plenty of services what you can sell $10 or $15. It doesn't matter. I am taking as an example, if you are selling a product of $10 and you just need 10 sales in order to generate $100 of revenue from Fiverr in every single day. So how like as I said, it will take hardly a couple of minutes, maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes to deliver one product. So if you become a calculative, and if you are generating $10 for next 10 minutes, so to earn $100 you will need maximum to maximum 2 hours maximum. So by investing 2 hours you can generate $100 to $150, and yes, depending upon your productive time as well. So being busy is not the factor, being productive is a factor, right? So don't pretend that you are busy. If you are housewife, if you are corporate person, or maybe if you don't have any time to invest on your business, just want to start out some extra income, then you can join with the help of these strategies. You can earn good amount of money. And also on my YouTube channel I create different kind of strategies, different kind of videos, so that you people can earn. Doesn't matter if you are a corporate person, a housewife, student, anyone. So there are a lot of things. If you don't have any money to invest on your business, with this way with your small amount of time you can generate good amount of money. And yes, this is pretty much healthy amount of income. And those people who are struggling to start their business, start earning the first money on online, so for them this is very easy. Okay, so now the next part, how you can rank your Fiverr gigs. So understand one thing guys, there are thousands of sellers on Fiverr, and every single day the thousands of new gigs are coming up. So this is very important to rank on Google, or this is very important to rank on Fiverr, so that your gigs comes up on the top pages, or maybe on first 2 or 3 pages whenever anyone will search with the keyword. So this is very important to optimize your Fiverr gigs. And yes, initially you have to give some social proof. So what does it mean, social proof? Understand one thing, in Fiverr, reviews and ratings are very important, because this is the only thing what any of the customer, what any of your client will generally see, okay, before ordering before placing any of the order. As I said, in my YouTube channel I have also created one of the video. Yes, this video, you can just check this video. And yes, I have also given a couple of my other strategies where you can, which I implemented on my life basically, and it gave me a good amount of result after watching this video. Make sure you people watch, and I'll also give this link of this video in the description, so that you get easy to find it. Okay, so now you can generally earn huge amount of money if you are ready to invest your time. Make sure you people invest in productive way. And initially, in order to rank your gig, what you have to do, so as I said, you have to rank. So for example, you are selling any of the services, something like YouTube thumbnails, so you can literally find these people on YouTube. So understand the concept. So the YouTube thumbnails will need for YouTubers, and maybe for example Facebook covers will need to those people who are into Facebook, or maybe who has page. And thing is that if you want, there are a lot of things, right? So business card, you will need business card will need to those people who has business. So you can reach out to them. How you can do that? You can, as I said, if you want to sell YouTube thumbnails, you can contact different YouTubers, small YouTubers basically, because they are your targeted audience, and they don't have that much budget to invest on their graphics designer to create a YouTube thumbnail for them. So you can pitch them, and you can give them your Fiverr gigs link, and you can say, I can design YouTube thumbnails for you on behalf of $5. And then you can do the same thing for Facebook covers as well as different things, maybe YouTube business cards. So in Facebook, in YouTube, in Instagram, you will find lot of your targeted customers, and you can reach out to them, and you can give your Fiverr links to them, and you can say that I can help you out with $5. That's it. This is what you have to do. Okay, so doesn't matter they bought or not, but thing is that once they are clicking, Fiverr system is understanding that yes, your gig is something good, maybe something good, that's why it is generating traffic. So automatically your gigs will rank on Fiverr, and it will take a couple of days, hardly 15 or 20 days, depending upon the traffic, depending upon the amount of promotion what you are doing. Apart from that, you can create Facebook ad, or maybe you can create Instagram ad in order to rank your gig faster. And you can hardly, maybe according to me, you can spend $20 to $30 on your on the first gig to rank on Fiverr. So you can go for Facebook ads and Instagram ads as well. But if you don't have any money to invest, you can reach out to different business peoples, and you can ask them that I can help you for $5. If you want, you can just visit on my Fiverr link. That's it. So apart from that, what you have to do, the secret sauce to rank your gigs. So as I said, you have to rank in order to get it visibility in front of thousands of buyers. Apart from that, one more thing what I did initially, when for example I am launching this gig for the very first time, it has 0 reviews, 0 ratings. So what I did, I used to create different other fake profiles, and I used to place order, or 2 orders or maybe 3 orders initially. So, and I used to give a good rating. So what Fiverr system will detect that this product is legitimate and it has got ratings and reviews. Apart from that, it will be easier to you to sell this product who has at least 2 or 3 ratings, maybe 5-star reviews. So the thing is that whenever you are promoting, the person will see they don't have any ratings. Understand one thing, the mentality of people, and they'll think that it has good number of reviews, maybe 2 or 3, doesn't matter. If it is having 5-star reviews, and if it is having a good comment on that particular gig, it will be easier to buy them, and it will create a trust factor to the person, to the people who is going to order from your gig. So this is pretty easy. With the help of Canva, you can literally earn good amount of money. As I said, $100 or $150 is not a small amount of money, and that too if you are generating every single day. So at the end of the month, you will be generating nearly around $3,000. That's pretty huge. So let me know if you have any other concerns in the comment section below. Also, if you have any other questions, any other doubts, you can reach me out on Instagram. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I create such an amazing videos like this. Thank you so much for watching the whole video.